So hi, I'm John Evans. I'm the course tutor for the Access to Higher Education Computer Science course, and it's a course designed to give you a broad base of study and knowledge on which to build higher education and a career. Better still, no prior qualifications are needed. Whatever your planned progression route, computer science, software engineering, systems analysis, project management, network management, this course is an ideal start point. And if you're not sure about your progression route, then this course can help you decide. So I say broad base, what are you going to study? Cybersecurity, the importance of which in this current climate cannot be underestimated, web design and development, relational databases, mobile computing applications, systems analysis and design, networking, installing and configuring systems, IT service provision, and this is in addition to core IT skills such as email, internet and health and safety. You may well be anxious about taking this course, especially if you've been out of education for a while or you've got family or work commitments. Fear not. You're going to be supported every step of the way, and the sessions are flexible, they're online and they're recorded, and we're going to endeavour to arrange and schedule sessions for a time of the week that every student can make. I look forward to welcoming you on the course.